So yeah, it's very important to realize what our vibratory state is, our vibration that we are feeling through our emotions, through being either triggered or else deliberately choosing our thoughts, which is more of a powerful vibration when we're choosing uplifting, loving, caring, positive, compassionate, thoughtful and considerate thoughts, etc., forgiving, peaceful, loving, wishing positive blessings on people's type of thoughts, or the opposite. As well as just to be aware of our emotions is extremely important too, because if we're thinking negatively or if we're triggered or if we're focusing on the negative, we're going to feel negative emotions, etc. You know, not that they're bad, but it's all just a vibration. It's just simply a scale of vibration. So the higher vibration, the more we'll be more gigglier, like happier, jollier, peaceful, like depending on the vibration, exact vibration. And similarly, then more like sort of positive, benevolent things will happen to us that day. The more we may be inspired to be magnanimous, like generous, kind to others, whereas we'll have more synchronicities. Like, probably we'll notice more synchronistic numbers or patterns or songs or events or meetings. But it's just very important, because what I've learned in my life recently is I'm much more energy sensitive and empathic, but the second one is I'm much more aware of my energy, my vibration. So another word of calling vibration is your mood. The more moody and down and gloomy we are, the much more likely we're more likely to express our body language and our tone and the words we choose to somebody, and that'll trigger them because they're going to feel our vibration, because they're vibrational beings too. We're empathic is another way of saying it. So we feel someone else's like belligerence, their frustration, their anger, their bottled up emotions. We hear their tone of their voice and we like, ooh, we get upset and triggered by other people's vibrations. So we have to be very careful of how we go forward and affect other people with our own starting vibration. Like, what's the effect we have on other people, you know? This is extremely important, because like attracts like people respond by the energy. It's not only just the words and the behavior, it's our vibration to begin with, because we're vibrational energetic beings first and foremost. We feel vibration before we even see or hear things happening. You walk into a room and you feel like, oh my god, we could cut that atmosphere with a knife. That's like energy and vibration we're feeling, when there's an awful lot of this strong energy of that, you know, a lot of people feeling or thinking similar things. So we want to make sure we don't upset or trigger people, you know, like, and we want to make sure we want, on the more conscious journey, we want to be more nurturing, caring and uplifting. That's their love. That's love in action, you know. Nurturing, uplifting, caring, thoughtful and considerate. So everyone, I hope you liked my most recent video with thoughtfulness and consideration, the two noble traits of love. And yes, I shall now lead you on to the next part of this video, which I made around 2 weeks ago. Have fun, lots of love. I just want to say that it's not exactly what we do that makes the big difference. It's how we make any moment or any little small thing magical and special through how we feel when we do it. So another way of putting that is, it's the energy we imbue or embody in anything we say or make or do or share, or like our work, a present, a gift, an act of service, a chore, a favor, anything, gratitude we share, or even a complaint, or a constructive criticism, or no matter what it is, it's how we feel when we say it. And there's also a second factor, which is how somebody may feel when they hear it, which will determine how they, also their mind, their emotional state, how they may interpret us or misinterpret us wrongly too. But really what's very powerful and true and important is for us to be aware of how we feel when we do things and make things. Like right now, I feel content and happy to share something for the good of other people. My motive and intention is good, and right here, right now, in the moment, I feel glad and happy and content to say these things. So hopefully, it can help to make you feel happy and good in life, to enrich your life and to make you feel happier. and have a better life, and your partner or your loved ones, your friends, your family, or your work. So we have the power to choose our thoughts, our attitude, our mindset, our way of thinking, our outlook. We don't have to be the victim as much as we're led on to believe that we're stuck in the victimhood of what's happened to us in the past. The past doesn't have has a certain degree of power over us, but ultimately, whenever in any moment we make a conscious decision, a choice, we look around us, we use our senses, we connect to the present moment, and we realize we are consciousness, we are alive, we are life itself, we are the witnessing watcher, the presence, the living being, behind and experiencing, giving rise, allowing all of our sense perceptions to be and to be experienced and to be watched or witnessed or felt. We realize we have the power to change our future right now, in this moment. That's where the future always happens now. So we have the power going forward to move forward and to go forward, no matter what happened in the past, and create a beautiful life for ourselves through mindful, conscious, caring, heart-centered, heartfelt living. And we truly can do it, everybody. It's not a joke, it's real. We don't have to label ourselves as the victim or the perpetrated upon from our past experiences that were hurtful or traumatic. We can go forward and we can decide to sculpt our life and paint our story and paint our picture. So yeah, it's very empowering to know that we can make new habits, and we can change the way we dress, the way we speak, the way we feel, through changing our attitude and by being present and setting a new intention for how we want to live life and how we want to affect others and the world around us. We can choose to focus on our motives, our intentions, and to be more deliberate in what we create in life, what we say and do, how we think, and even how we feel, of course. So then we can help each other and love one another and care for one another more, show more interest and positive attention to one another, and make each other feel loved and cared for and valued and precious and special and significant. So thanks for watching, and lots of love, and I hope you have a beautiful day, and you have the power. So let me know if you have any questions or comments or stories to tell that are happy and positive and other people watching can enjoy, and we'll share and care together. Okay, thanks. Lots of love. Have a nice day.